You open your bank app right after payday, and you feel rich for about 5 minutes. Then the auto pays hit, your checking drops fast, and the rest of the month turns into a guessing game. Can I spend this, or am I about to overdraft? That's not a motivation problem. It's a layout problem. When all your money lives in one account, every dollar looks spendable, even the dollars that already have jobs. So here's a simple fix: the 3 accounts system. One account for bills, one account for spending, one account for debt payoff, and a small buffer. The goal is to make the right decision the default, not something you have to think about every day. Account 1. Bills. This is where your paycheck lands and where rent, utilities, insurance, and minimum debt payments auto-pay from. You don't swipe this account. It's boring on purpose.
Account 2. Spending. This is your debit card account for groceries, gas, and your normal life. You transfer one weekly amount into it so you can't accidentally spend bill money. Account 3. Debt. This is where your extra payment lives. The day after payday, you transfer a set amount here and send it to your credit card. If you're building a starter buffer, this is also where it sits, so a surprise doesn't go back on the card. Let's put numbers to it. Say you bring home $3,000 a month. Bills total $2,100. Spending is $150 a week, so about $600 a month. That leaves $300. That $300 becomes your debt transfer. It goes out automatically the day after payday. Now, common mistakes. First, setting the spending transfer too high and then stealing from bills. Quick fix: start lower, then raise it after 2 weeks. Second, using the debt account like extra spending. Quick fix: no debit card for that account. Third, not automating. If it's not automatic, it's optional.
Calm recap. The 3 accounts system separates money by job, so you stop guessing. Bills stay safe, spending stays controlled, and debt gets paid automatically. Educational only, not financial advice. Your 7-day challenge. Open your bank app and create a bills-only account and a spending account, or 2 folders. Then set 1 weekly spending transfer and 1 day after payday debt transfer, even if it's small. I'll put a simple setup checklist in the pinned comment.